In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you an easy arrangement of the Bill Withers classic, Ain't No Sunshine. Okay, so without further ado, let's have a listen to it. I'll play it to you and then I'll break down each part. Okay, so let's move over to a close-up to see what's going on. So the tune starts off with this open string melody. We go second string, then the fourth string, then the first string. We then jump to the third fret first string, second fret first string, then the open fourth string. So if I put that phrase together, one more time, open second string, open fourth string, open first string, third fret first string, second fret first string, then open fourth string. Okay, that phrase is then followed by an A minor chord. We play the A minor chord by placing our second finger on the fourth string second fret. So if we can see this, I'll just move this over to the camera here so we can see that we're placing our second finger down on string 4 second fret, and I'm just going to strum down from the fourth string. Once I've done that, I then follow that with an E minor chord. That's played by placing your index finger on string 1 fret 2, second finger on string 2 fret 3, third finger on the third string fret 4, and again you can strum every single string down from string 4. We then follow that with an A minor chord again. So that phrase, that segment, the chord segment, goes A minor, E minor, A minor. So if I then put the melody that we've just played on the front, it should sound like this. The next phrase is exactly the same. So we get the same melody again and the same chords. So if we put that segment together so far, we get one bar melody, then A minor, E minor, A minor, the same melody again, and then the same A minor, E minor, A minor chords. So I'll play that phrase for you all together. The next phrase is slightly different, and this is all played on the first string. So to play this phrase, I'm going to play the open first string twice, then the third fret first string, and then the 7th fret first string. So for me, I'm reaching with my little finger there. We then go back on the same string, the first string 5th fret, and then the first string 3rd fret. So we get. We then follow that with an E minor chord. So we know how to play this one. So finger 1, 2, and 3, then we strum down. So far. Okay, after the E minor chord, we have a D minor chord. Now this is played by placing your index finger on string number 2, fret 1, then second finger on string number 4, fret 2, and then third finger on string number 3, fret 2. So I'll just show it, I'll just reverse the angle for you here so you can see it this way, and I'll build the chord again. So finger 1, on string 2, fret 1, finger 2 on string 4, fret 2, finger 3 on string 3, fret 2. We then strum down from the 4th string and play all the strings. So if I now play this phrase that we've just learnt with the E minor and D minor chord, it should sound like this. The song is then finished off with our original phrase, A minor, E minor, A minor. I'll now play the song again for you and you can see a close-up view. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that one. It's a great tune to play, so it's worth practicing and taking your time on this one. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.